Good morning, dear students. Welcome back after your summer vacation holidays. So, student, before starting something new, we will revise that we have studied in our previous classes. Now, today we will do the revision of Boolean algebra. In Boolean algebra, we will cover these 5 important topics. First is, what are the logic gates? Second, what do you understand by Boolean laws? Third, how can we make a truth table? Fourth, how can we create a logic circuit? And how can we minimize any Boolean expression? Okay, first of all, our agenda is what is logic gates. Okay, so we know that we have basically 3 types of logic gates. One is basic logic gates, second is universal, and third is exclusive. In basic logic gates there are 3 gates: and, or, and not. And in universal we have 2 gates: NAND and NOR. And in exclusive we have 2 gates: XOR and XNOR. So total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gates. Okay, now what are these gates and how these gates perform? We will understand by one table. Let us suppose we have 2 input. These are the input which are having output 0 0, 1 1, 0 1, 0 1. If we pass these input in different gates and, or, NAND, NOR, XOR and XNOR. Okay, input is same for all the gates, and if we pass this input in different gate, how this gate will perform, how this gate will give output. In AND gate, okay, in AND gate what will happen? Output will be like that. Only when both input are 1, then output will be 1. Okay, so output is 1 in AND gate. In which condition? When all the inputs are 1, only when AND gate will produce 1 output. If any of the input is 0, AND gate will give 0 output. In OR gate, first will be 0 and rest will be 1. Okay, here you can see that in OR gate there is only 1 0. Why? Because both input are 0. If any of the input is 1, then output will be 1. So what is the working principle of OR? If any of the input is 1, then output will be 1. Or we can say that in OR gate, if all the input are 0, then output will be 0, else output will be 1. Now these are the main 2 gates. Now after that we have one more gate, that is NOT gate. Now NOT gate is we can say it gives the complement output. It gives the opposite output. If input is 0, it will give the output 1, and if input is 1, it will give the output 0. Okay, so what inverter in NOT gate do? NOT gate will take only a single output and it will produce the single output. Okay, and what will be the output? Output will be opposite of input. Okay, now NAND gate is saying not plus and, not plus and. So it is, what is NAND gate? NAND gate is nothing but it is opposite of AND gate. Now opposite of AND gate means 0 0 0 1. Opposite of 0 is 1, opposite of 0 is 1, opposite of 0 is 1, opposite of 1 is 0. Okay, now in a similar way, NOR is opposite of OR what is the output of OR gate? 0 1 1 1. So opposite of 0 is 1, opposite of 1 is 0, 1 is 0, 1 is 0. So this is the output of NAND and NOR. Now XOR gate gives output 1. What will be the output of XOR gate? In same input, output will be 0. In a same input, output will be 0. Here you can say input is 0 0. In both cases input is same. Here also you can see input is 1 1. Both input are same. If all the input are same, all the input are equal, then output will be 0. Else output will be 1. So we can say that same input, output will be 0. Okay. Now what is XNOR gate? It is quite obvious that it is opposite of XOR gate. So opposite of 0 is 1, opposite of 0 is 1, 1 is 0, 1 is 0. Or we can say that in XNOR gate, in same input, output will be 1. Okay. So this is the truth table of all the logic gates. Now one by one we will see the logic circuit for each gate. Now I am drawing some all the symbol. You have to tell me that which symbol belongs to which gate. Okay, I am drawing all the symbol of gate. Okay, and at the last okay, now these are the figures or logic circuits of all the gates. Now you have to tell me which gate belongs to which logic circuit belongs to which gate. Okay, so this gate is what? You have to give me the answer. This gate is, yes, correct, this is AND gate. Now what is this gate? This gate is NAND gate. Very good. This gate is, you can say, or no, this gate is NOR gate. This gate is NOT gate. NOT gate, for NOT gate identification is very easy because NOT gate will take only single output. Here you can see that in all gate there are two inputs. Okay, but in NOT gate there is only one input. So NOT gate will take a single input, whereas rest all the gate will take at least two input. Now what is that gate? This is OR gate, and this is XOR gate, and this is XNOR gate. Okay, now one more thing, if you see that 0, that 0 will represent the NOT. Okay, if you see that 0 in front of all gates, these all gates are indicating that this is the NOT. Okay, so you can identify by this circle also. Okay, so students, that's it for today. next we will revise in our next classes. Thank you and keep learning.